Hi, personal information. What your full name? My name is Adriana Vázquez Becerra. Where are you from? I am from Roldanillo. How old are you? I have 24 years old. What is your email address? My email address is adriana79127 @gmail.com. How old are you? I am teacher of children. Where do you live? I am living in Roldanillo. Roldanillo is very tourist to Cali Pueblo Mágico, which is very visited by many foreign people would come to participate in the Paragliding World Cup. Also has one of the largest murals in the world made with pencil and blood. So healthy and much more. My toe is wonderful. My hobby in some occasions is to go for a walk. My favorite food is hot tacos. My favorite movie is like a Star on Earth because it tells the story of sacrifice and dedication the teacher have today and how he transforms the lives of children. My favorite book is Para Selena con Amor, Chris Perez, because it narrates the love story of the famous singer of Texas music. My positive qualities are the responsibility and kindness which he treat other people, and my negative qualities here that I have learned to say no. My daily routines usually start at 5 o'clock a.m. I organize myself to go to my work, from which it late 7:30 p.m. I get home and do chores like washing and show home time. They plan my class and at night I do university activities. So I go to sleep at 16 o'clock. My weekends is what I like to spend after morning doing housework, in the afternoons visiting and relative or planning my work. The important person in my life is my father. His name is Justiniano Vasquez. He is 16 years old and works as a court farmer. My father is a tall, skin, a dark. He is very noble, tender, and supportive. Sometimes he has a strong temper. An event that has made me very happy was the day I bought my motorcycle because I had saved for many years to be able to save it. Thank you.